Hi, let us understand how to install Docker as a part of CentOS operating system. First thing, we have to make sure there is no components related to Docker is installed. If anything, we need to remove them. I will be removing any Docker client or common latest Docker engine, any such components. If it is available, I'm going to remove. So I'll use yum remove command and all the libraries I'll provide. So there are no such packages available. Now I'll be installing Yum Utils. This is required for the Docker to run. Sudo yum install -y yum-utils. Yes, it is installed. Now I'm going to add the repository of the Docker Community Edition using the yum config manager. I'll be adding all these commands as a part of the description, so you can copy and paste and avoid the typo mistakes. The command is yum config manager add-repo and the URL of the Docker Community Edition repository. The repository is added, and we can go ahead and do the installation of Docker Community Edition CLI container.io engine. And CentOS will be having issue because of a component called podman. So that needs to be removed. So let's remove the podman. If it is not removed, the Docker installation will give error. Yes, podman is removed. Now I am going to install docker-ce sudo yum install docker-ce command line interface and container.d.io. It will download all the required packages. Yes, installation is complete. Now I can start the Docker engine using systemctl command. Sudo systemctl start Docker. Now I can check whether Docker is started or not using docker run command. Sudo docker run hello world. This will echo the hello world statement. If it is, then the Docker installation is successful. It's pulling the libraries. Yes, the Docker installation is successful.